Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic name called Graphology-Based Personality Assessment using Random Forest and CNN with hybrid feature fusion. The main idea of this project is to analyze a person's handwriting and automatically predict their personality traits. Handwriting carries a lot of information such as slant, margins, spacing, baseline, and the overall writing style. Traditionally, graphology experts these features manually, but this process is subjective and inconsistent. So, this project, a fully automated AI-based system to predict personality traits more accurately and objectively. The system works in three major stages. First, I extract and craft graphology free features from the dataset and use a random forest multi-output model to predict six personality traits like emotional scale, orientation, emotional outlook, letter size, trait, social isolation, and concentration. Second, ResNet CNN model to analyze handwriting images and extract deep visual features for concentration prediction. Finally, combine both handcrafted features and CNN embeddings in a hybrid CNN plus SVM model, which gives the most accurate concentration prediction. The system also includes a ticketer-based GUI where users can upload multiple handwriting images and instantly get personality predictions. Overall, this hybrid approach improves accuracy, reduces human bias, and provides a fast and automated personality evaluation system. So, this is our block diagram. So, our project starts with the handwriting images and a CSV file containing handwriting features. Both are sent to pre-processing model. So, where the data is cleaned, encoded, and scaled. From here, the system split into two parallel paths, handcrafted ML features, RF and CNN image embeddings. So the first path extract handcrafted graphology features such as slant, margins, baseline and angle, letter size, word spacing, and line spacing. These features are used by a random forest model to predict six personality traits. The second path sends the handwriting images into the ResNet 50 CNN model, which extracts deep embeddings from the image. Both the anchor features and the CNN embeddings are fused together and give to a hybrid CNN plus SVM classifier for improved concentration prediction. Finally, all predicted traits are displayed in a GUI application which provides the user with a clear, easy to understand personality analysis. So this is the random forest training code. First we are training our random forest model only. We are taking our data set here, we are loading our data set and then we are setting the features, selected features and our targets. So here we are taking the features as a slant angle, left margin, top margin, baseline angle, letter size, word spacing, line spacing, slant feature, left margin type, top margin type, baseline feature, letter feature, word feature, line feature. These things we are setting as their features, and based on these features, we are targeting the columns called emotional scale, emotional outlook, letter size, trait, social isolation, concentration, and orientations. Then we are splitting our data set like for selected features and targets. Here we are splitting features as a X and targets as Y. Then we are pre-processing. In the pre-processing, if there are any missing values or any null values, means it will be clear and give a good data set. So here we are encoding our targets. Like coding why we are used here means machine learn can't understand strings. So for that reason, we are encoding our targets into numbers. Here we are splitting our data set for 20% for testing purpose and 80% for training purpose. Here we are training our random forest classifier model. Once it trains means we will save that model in the name of multi-output underscore random forest dot joblib. Here we are evaluating our model. After evaluation, we will see about the how much accurately it learned and F1 scores, all the things will be seen. This is another training code. This is for CNN training. Here also we are setting our paths like where our data set and where our model need to store those things we are doing here, and then parameters we are giving, and we are loading here. We are loading our data set. Data augmentation, why we are using here means for a better accuracy purpose we are using, and then we are training validating our data set. So we are loading our model by ResNet 50 is our model. We are training our model. After training, we are using early stopping also. If our model didn't learn anything, means our training will be stopped. And then, so here we have two layers of training we are doing, one for top layer and one for last ResNet 50 layers. So we are using categorical question trophy for multi-class. We have multiple classes, for that reason we are using. At last our model will be saved. So this is our hybrid CNN plus SVM model training. Here also we are setting configurations. Here we are loading our data set and our CNN model, and I setting our parameters like image size. After that, we are loading our trained CNN model, our data set, and we are selecting the features, and then we are encoding our features into numbers, and also we are encoding our target values and CNN embeddings. So at last, we are training our data set like 0.20% for a testing purpose and left over for a training purpose. And scaling, why we use means for a better prediction if scalars will be used, and encoders also. Here we are training our hybrid model. At last we are evaluating our model. At last we are storing our train hybrid model in the name of hybrid underscore CNN underscore SVM underscore concentration underscore balance dot pk. So this is our testing code. Here we are loading our CNN model, the hybrid model, and scalars, encoders, everything we are loading. After loading our data set, we are extracting features we are defining, and then predicting we are doing. Like predict means if we upload the own image means with that image it will extract the features, and based on the features personality traits like emotional skill, orientation, emotional outlook, letter size, social isolation, and concentration in the GUI. Like we are using ticketed GUI. Our ticketed GUI in the name of hybrid CNN plus SPM personality prediction. There should be a one button. If we click that button means we can select multiple images also. If you select one image means that image should be like JPG or JPG or PNG format it should be, or else it won't predict. After prediction it will return our try. So this is our title. Here we upload handwriting images. So there is a button upload images. We'll upload any one of image from here. And then it is predicting concentration as distracted. So it taking all the features type, and based on the features type it is predicting the trait. At last it's predicting the final personality traits as emotional scale is balanced and orientation is goal oriented, emotional outlook as optimistic, and letter size is extroverted. Based on the social isolation it's telling reserved, and concentration, the main purpose is concentration, is predicted as distracted. So we'll upload another image also and we'll check once. So this is the another image we upload. So here it's predicting concentration as relaxed and telling the personality traits. Based on the emotional scale it's like balanced, goal oriented, and the emotional outlook also balanced. And then based on the letter size it's like they are extroverted. Social isolation is also balanced and concentration is relaxed. We'll upload another image also. We'll check. So this is the another image. It's saying like predicted concentration is focused. So if you want to clear your results means here we have a button clear results. If you click that button means our results will be removed.